How to use Chime's Pay Anyone. First things first, go ahead and open your Chime app. Look right down at the bottom menu and tap on Pay Anyone. At the very top where it says To, just type in your friend's name or their Chime sign. Now, if they aren't actually on Chime, don't sweat it. You can just type in their regular email address or phone number instead. Next, look over at the top right and enter the exact amount you want to send them. Right below that, you can add a quick message or an emoji in the For box so they know what the cash is for. Once that looks good, tap Pay. Chime is going to give you one final look to double-check everything. If it's all correct, just hit that green Pay button at the bottom one more time, and that's it. You'll see a confirmation screen pop up, and you can just tap Got It at the bottom to close it out. If your friend is on Chime, that money hits their account instantly. If they don't have Chime, all they have to do is type in their debit card details, and they get their cash instantly too. No fees, no waiting. By the way, if you or a friend still need to set up a profile first, go ahead and click right here to watch my quick guide on how to create a Chime account. See you there!